Hello and welcome to Thought for May the 19th. Our readings are Joshua chapters 3 and 4, Isaiah chapter 9 and 1 Thessalonians chapter 5. And our thought is, for all this. 4 times, the first 3 being in today's reading of the 9th chapter of Isaiah, the prophet states God's attitude is that for all this, his anger is not turned away, and his hand is stretched out still. Verses 12, 17 and 21. In their own strength, they think they can ignore God and restore the things that have gone wrong, to bounce back from a disaster and rebuild, saying, the bricks that are fallen, but we will build with dressed stones. The sycamore have been cut down, but we will put cedars in their place. Verse 10. The nation refused to see that it was the Lord who had caused these disasters, but their thoughts were on rebuild, to make things better than they had been. They did not see that it was evidence of God's anger, and further punishment would come, for the people did not turn to him who struck them, nor inquire of the Lord of hosts. Verse 13. As a result, the Lord was going to have no compassion, even on their fatherless and widows. For everyone is godless and an evildoer, and every mouth speaks folly. There is a solemn lesson in this for today. Disasters continue to multiply in different parts of the world. Extreme weather events and earthquakes are multiplying. As we read on Isaiah, we will come to several prophetic visions. For example, soon we will read, I will punish the world for its evil, and the wicked for their iniquity. I will put an end to the pomp of the arrogant, and lay low the pompous pride of the ruthless. I will make people more rare than fine gold, and mankind than the gold of Ophir. Therefore I will make the heavens tremble, and the earth will be shaken out of its place, at the wrath of the Lord of hosts in the day of his fierce anger. Chapter 13, verses 11 to 13. But for those who, looking for light in the darkness, what marvellous light is there to be found in today's chapter? Verses 7 and 8 tell us, for unto us a child is born, and the government shall be on his shoulder. Of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end, to establish it and to uphold it with justice and with righteousness from this time forth and for evermore. The zeal of the Lord of hosts will do this. From this time forth? From the time Jesus returns. Yesterday we ended by quoting today's Thessalonians chapter 5, verses 23 to 24. Look at it again. May we all have a clear vision of the light in the darkness. For all this folly of godlessness we see today, our world will be one day, soon we believe, will feel the fullness of the Creator's anger. Let us make our vision of the light as clear as we can. Well, thank you once again for joining us for Thought for the Day, where together we can open up the pages of God's Word, knowing that Word to be a lamp to our feet and a light to our path.